Welcome to the car, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Stephen, and that over there, where is it? Is the seafront at Troon. We're going to take a little quick walk down to the sea, down to the beach. If it is a beach, I can't remember. If it's sand or very stupid stone things, but we'll take a walk down, see what we can see. There's a hill just behind me over there. We'll take a walk up, get some good views for there. Quick visit, and yeah, let's go. Well, you can't come to Troon and not go down to the seaside. Okay, I'm on a mission, so that's for another video. You'll need to watch out. That's why I'm in Troon on a secret mission. Watch out for the secret mission video. I'll point you in the right way. You can see the lovely sea and the sights. We're going to take a walk up this hill. Hold on. There we go. And we're going to take a walk up that hill there. You ever been to Troon? I like Troon. It's nice. Obviously when the sun's out, it's nice. Some of it's quite posh. I'm not posh, so I won't be staying here. This is quite steep. I see a bench. Needing a seat after this climb. Oh, I thought it was just like a wee top of the hill, but it goes on for ages. We'll have a seat on this. It's windy, it's always windy, yeah? There we go. Now, if I knew my stuff, I'd be pointing and telling you what's what. There. Over there. That's Ayrshire Craig, away in the distance. Unless somebody corrects me. I'll tell you what that is over there. But to be honest, I haven't got a clue. I'd need to look it up. I'm going to have to walk down there, aren't I? Let's go, we'll go to the edge. Or is that stupid? Holy shit. Yeah, it's quite steep. And quite windy. Lovely views. We've got a sign on the bench. Wedding song 1947. Jeannie with the light brown hair. Mum and Dad together at last. Jim Matheson. Jean Matheson, fireman on duty. That's nice. So we've got a wee stone thing over here. We'll go and walk to that. Well, there's the yacht place. So, lovely Troon. Terrible wind. Blowing right in my ear hole. There's people in there. There's people in the water. I say there's people in the water. Mental. What are you doing, man? That's the crazy cold water swimmers in it. Hold on, I'll turn round. Where are they? Yeah, they're there, look. Right. There's this stony thing. See what this is? Oh, it's a thing like a thing that tells you where things are. If you can see it. Isle of Bute, Isle of Cumbrae, Barassi, that's posh. Dundonald. Viewfinder installed by Troon Council 1983. Oh, well. Next we got Black Craig's Hill, 2,289 feet high, 21 miles. Royal Troon Golf Club, been there. I've got that in a video. Keep an eye out. What is that? Cairnsmore of Carsfairn, the Merrick, Heads of Ayr, Turnberry, Ayrshire Craig. Yeah, it's Ayrshire Craig, the rocks Ayrshire Craig, 26 miles away. That's 26 miles. 26 miles. In case you didn't hear me the first time. Lady Isle. There you go, Lady Isle. Holy Isle. And Goatfell, Isle of Arran. There you go. That solved that problem. Right, here's the mental folk down there, look. That's got to be Baltic, man. I'm Baltic up here with the wind, never mind in that water. Each to their own. There's rocks out there they're standing on. I've always thought about trying that, but I'm a bag. Yeah, let's take a walk down here. I don't think there's much. Something fenced off, but half my face is freezing. Yeah, I could have been done that way. Wonder where all these stones are. Remnants of some sort of pier thing. I'll need to look that up. There we go. One last 360 view for you all. And then we'll head back. Need to head back. Need to get my mission done for today. As I said, keep an eye out for that video. Now, where's this one? In loving memory of John and Ellen McCaffrey, much loved and dearly missed. As steep as the other side. Yes. What do you think of Troon? You like it? Nicer? Come and visit it. Go and buy a fancy house or a yacht. Blown away. Right, one last view. Right, thanks for coming to Troon with me. Thank you for taking the time to watch, everybody, and I'll see you again in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.